Good morning, kids. Okay, welcome back to English with Teacher Audrey. So, I want you to take out your Get Smart student book. Okay, turn to page 50. 50. 50, okay? 50, 50. Ready? On top of page 50, you will see 6 food. Let's say the name together. Ready? A bag of crisps. A bag of crisps. A carton of milk. A carton of milk. A piece of cake. A piece of cake. A box of cereal. A box of cereal. A can of lemonade. A can of lemonade. A bottle of water. A bottle of water.
One. What do Greg and Anna want? Listen and read.
Greg, I'm hungry.
Me too. What can we eat?
Have you got any cereal?
There isn't any cereal in the cupboard, but there is a box of biscuits. Is there any milk or juice in the fridge?
There isn't any milk, but there's a carton of orange juice. Oh no, it's empty. There isn't any juice in the carton.
There aren't any biscuits in the box. What are we going to do?
Hello, children.
Hi, Mum. It's so good to see you. What's in your bags?
Hi, Mrs. Brown. Delicious.
Now, kids, you have listened to the audio. I want you to read the story by yourself. You can record it or just read it aloud for your parents to hear. Ready?